Hi, welcome. Today I want to show you how I seed save okra. As you can see next to me, this is my patch of okra, and I planted 3 different varieties of seeds, and I've got a little nice assortment of okra plants. Now, okra loves the heat in the summer, so that's why these are just going crazy here. We don't have luck with a lot of plants here in the valley through August, but okra loves the heat. And if you don't pay attention, every couple of days you're going to get pods that are huge, bigger and bigger, and they become inedible when they get too big. So this video is really about seeds and harvesting seeds from dried okra. So I cut a bunch of okra about a month ago, actually, with a bunch of pods that had gotten too large. I let them dry, and so now it's a perfect day. It's the first day of fall. It's a perfect day to take the seeds out, so join me. Okay, so here we have an assortment of the different okras that I grew this year. There's 3 different varieties, and so these big ones, these are the Hill Country Red okra. This is from the Alliance of Native Seed Keepers. So this is an heirloom variety, and I'm really excited about it. So got lots of seeds to pull from that. This is your typical Clemson spineless. That's a green okra, your standard one. And then over here, these are red burgundy okra. So I'm really excited to have a bunch of these because I didn't get very many seeds. So here we go. Okay, I'm starting with the green Clemson spineless variety. So I'm just going to kind of break it and then dump the seeds. So many come out. Each pod has several different sections, so you want to make sure you open each section to get all the seeds out. Oops. See, that whole area right there has them. You just open it up and pop them out. And already, that's been 2 of them, and that's more seeds than you normally get in a pack of seeds. So that's just from 2 dried okra pods. Okay, let's do the burgundy. These are really big, so here we go. These little seeds are slightly greener than the other ones. That was a really big pod for only so few seeds, so you never know what you're going to get. And here we go. Here is the final one. These are the Hill Country Reds. This is the heirloom variety from the Alliance of Native Seed Keepers. And I'm really excited about these. These okra, they're delicious. They actually taste just like the other okra, but they're huge. So they're really neat to grow and to cook. And highly recommend them. That's a lot of seeds for 1 pod, too. Okay, and there is the shelled one of the heirloom variety. Lots of seeds came out of those, so that's really exciting. Alright, here's the finished pile from all of the shelled okras. Just go throw those away. So I put them in baggies, and I just labeled them with markers, so these will go into my seed saving area. But there's a lot of okra seeds for next year, and I'm planning to share some too, especially these ones. So actually, if you want any, let me know in the comments down below, and maybe I can make that work. So you may or may not know that I have these seed storage containers. I got them at Michael's. They're actually for photos, but they work great. So they have little holders like this. I just put labels on them, And so now I can keep all my seeds in here. This is the okra section. And put the last little bit from the packs that I have. Close them up. I think they work really well. These just snap, and you can carry them. Thanks for watching.